We're back here. What's going on with all this stuff?
We got a lot of stuff here.
That's right. So today is what?
Today is Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday, but we're doing the Thrift Store
That's right, we're
challenge
doing the Thrift
that
Store
we're
challenge.
filming. That you're going to be able to see in what, about 2 weeks or so. So that'll be exciting.
So we got a trunk full of stuff.
That's right.
We've got Jack the intern.
That's right. There's Jack. He's helping us before he goes back away to school.
We've got our 2 challengers today.
That's right. Sitting in the back, ready to go.
That's right.
And there's even a surfboard in there. I wonder what that's for. Somebody might be cheating, and that person just might be me. Ready to shut it and let's go.
Well, don't shut it yet, because if you're going to cheat, then you never know what I use this for.
Oh.
You just never know what's going to happen.
I think I might know what he uses that for. Well, follow along today and let's go have some fun. I am so excited I can hardly contain myself.
I can tell.
We are we're heading to the Goodwill store. You know I have a Goodwill at home. And a couple other kids that are
Often you go to
okay.
Goodwill hunting now.
Yeah, Will's pretty good. He's a good kid. But we got everybody out there, back there. They're not there, they're back there. And they're ready. You guys ready?
Yeah. I'm so
Okay. So, got any ideas of what we're buying today? So we have our teams selected. So we got Team Bats.
Woo.
That's yep.
That's
As you
me.
can tell, that's Amanda. Gonna be with Steve, and then Olivia and I are gonna be the team number 2 and competing against them.
You want to be called number 2?
We're number 2. We're number 2. Okay. So we're team number 1 and they're team number 2. It's really hard to like point at things.
This is very interesting video.
We forgot a scene last week. So we're actually going to record the ugly location.
That's right.
We didn't actually get any overviews of it, and as I edited it together, went, wait, there's nothing that shows where we were. So
we have our expert drone flyer, Jack the intern, whipping up the drone.
that's right. Oh no. Da, 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 da. This is exciting. So I have an idea for a theme. Are we going to talk about our themes?
No.
Okay.
Because we're challenging.
So we're just going to wait till we're in there and we're going to have like private discussions.
Yes.
Hey, Olivia. Do you want? Okay. So there's a surfboard in the back, but that's a secret. Oh, we are here. We are at the Goodwill store doing a little last check with our social media. What's going on there?
Just a little email checking, social media checking before we start our
Donate here.
stuff.
That's where we're going to donate.
All right, let's.
Okay. But if we just cut, you know, it's more flowy over another shirt. So I don't really know.
What do surfers wear, Jack?
What do surfers wear?
I don't know that either.
You got to do Big Bird.
So we found it. So here's what I was thinking.
You're a
Senior
senior.
in high school? Oh no.
So you just we get a discount because
Second time I've heard it.
We'll give you a discount.
it's going to be a tight contest. Who do you think's going to win? Exactly my point. Hey, how come I'm carrying the bag?
What are we eating today? I don't really care about pictures. I want to know where I'm eating lunch.
Any suggestions?
Why? Oh.
So I can get everybody in the shot. Can you turn that way so I don't have a light across my face?
All of us in the middle of the road.
Jack?
Come on, Jack. Where should we eat today? So we did come up with a decision.
We did. We came up with a great solution for lunch, and it was a pretty unanimous vote.
Yes.
We're going to eat at the Squeeze Inn. It's world famous in the Sacramento region for burgers for one reason.
The cheese skirt.
The cheese skirt, and we'll show you in a minute what we're talking about.
Yeah, if you've never had a cheese skirt, then you're wearing the wrong clothes.
We just bought some skirts that might look cheesy. But
Cheesy skirt, yeah. We're not talking
Cheesy squirt.
cheesy skirts. We're talking about a cheese skirt.
You actually said a cheesy squirt.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't get a one of those things yet. It's in a hamburger, right?
Thank you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have.
Ooh, right into the
I
water.
was a burger with no pickles or onion, no cheese.
We got like a gnarly like lens flare coming across. Like
Can you chopstick squeeze the cheese skirt? Not really. It's far more difficult than you would think.
Gonna have
We
to pick the
tried.
whole thing up with your chopstick.
Just to balance. So close. But yeah.
So I have loaded my toothpick into the toothpick dispenser, and bounced off the ceiling.
that was
Yeah, it was good though.
That was more powerful.
It was. You're so
So
close.
I lost all of the fluff.
Okay, you don't need the stuff. It's overrated.
And it's in. Oh.
Got it. I got it. I got my own.
That was impressive.
Did you see it like spin around in there?
It's all in the wristband.
Okay.
First try. Stuck in perfectly.
Okay, she's gonna do it again. Everybody, protect your eyes. Almost
I
in.
saw it touch. I
A
saw
little less spit this time.
Yeah, and I'll cover my iced
It's
tea.
water. It's cheese water.
Ready for another photo fact?
Photo fact?
Photo
I
fact.
love photo facts.
Did you know the inventor of the first camera, which was called the camera obscura, Joseph, whatever his name is, the French
Joe.
inventor.
French guy.
Do you know he was more known for his other invention than the camera? And you know what that was?
So what was that?
This photo fact. The boat propeller.
Wow.
The man who invented the camera invented the boat propeller, and that's what he was most notedly known for. You can take that one to the bank.
You know what's interesting?
All right, do a little off-roading to our super secret. There's somebody down there by those rocks. What are they doing down there? Whoa. Oh, don't go over that edge.
We'll have to intimidate him with the...
All right, so we are here at the lake.
You know what I'm doing again? I'm checking my phone again. Seems like
There's
every
Steve.
time.
There's Jack. There's Steve. Back to Jack. Back to Steve. Back to Jack. And back to Steve. And then back to Jack. Then back to Steve.
This is actually not the lake. This is the ocean. Because
Okay.
sushi smells as fresh as the sea.
So what are we doing?
We're pointing the microphone the wrong direction. Is what we're doing.
He hears it fine, though.
It's a shotgun mic.
It's a shotgun microphone, so here's this fine. I'll switch it
Flip it
around.
around.
Well, I was getting you guys, and I don't want to go back, and then you guys go, you got to turn it that way.
There you go. That's better.
There.
See how easy that was?
That was hard. So today we're doing the
We were doing the thrift store.
thrift store challenge.
Let's start again.
Well, they already saw that, so
I know, but you say what are we doing?
I know.
I was continuing why we're here.
okay. But they already know. They've been watching this vlog already. So,
Okay. I didn't know if we were
So
vlogging
why
or
did I
this is part of the
ask you
show.
that?
I didn't know if this is part
That's
of
a
the show or not.
stupid question.
Why did you
Okay.
ask me that? This is stupid. And why are we just looking at...
Why are we here? Because this is where we're going to film, right?
That's right.
And what are we doing? So what I was thinking was, what are we doing? We are waiting for the girls to come out of that vehicle to reveal their costumes,
Their
outfits,
Their
costumes.
high fashion outfits for the perfume ad that we're creating.
Yeah, not necessarily high fashion, just
Oh, mine is high
outfit.
fashion. Mine
You've
came-
got high fashion, you tell me. I haven't seen it. He hasn't seen mine completely. I mean, he's seen parts of it, and I've seen parts
I
of
saw it
his.
coming out of the washing machine.
But now we get to see it actually coming out of the car,
Fully
and
assembled.
yeah, all put together.
The question is, are we creating great imagery today?
We
I think
are.
we are.
Oh, there's no doubt. I have no doubt that we're not going to create perfect pictures,
That we're not
stunning
going to.
images that we are going to. Yeah, that's like a double negative.
That's
So,
right, you're just double
anyways, let's see what the girls have. All right, so today we're doing our thrift store challenge. Steve's putting together his outfit and his shoot right now. Let's see what's going on. All right, so we just got done.
Yeah, that was a wrap on that. That was fun.
Yeah, so that was the shooting part of it out here at Folsom Lake.
Yep.
Look at these great rocks that we found today.
We got this guy rock crawling in his Jeep behind us.
Yeah,
Another guy that's rock crawling up over this other Jeep over here. But yeah, this is a killer place that we just hung out in for an hour, taking some
Made it look
really
like the
fun
ocean.
pictures.
It didn't look
Tried
like the
to,
ocean,
tried
but
to.
that's what we were trying to kind of go for. Shooting a perfume ad.
Mm-hmm.
And so you're just going to have to watch our show here in about 2 weeks, and you're going to get to see what we did today.
Yes, sushi.
That's right. So now we got to get Jack filming our wrap-up. And then we have to wrap it up with Jack once again for a while he goes back to school.
Going back to school.
And learn something.
The nerve of the guy.
I know.
That's okay, though, because every time he comes back, he's more of a Jack than he was when he left.
That's right.
Ice cream cones and 1 large Coke.
4 ice cream cones and a large Coke.
That's good, yep.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
First window, thank you.
Can I get a total?
Well, they're all $1.
Can I get a hallelujah?
Yes.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone.
Working for you. The ice cream's acting a little slow right now.
Okay.
Wow.
Slow machine.
Can I please?
Slow cone.
Snow cone.
Whoa, yours is the true friendship.
That's right.
No regrets.
That's because we were so thrifty today at our thrift store challenge.
We had enough for everybody to get ice
For
cream cones.
everybody.
You know, but not really.
No.
Because I think I have 4 cents extra. I think,
4 cents of it is
yeah,
from you guys.
that's it.
The rest is
It's
from
you.
Olivia and I.
Your 28 cents that you were under.
That's right.
Ice cream, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, they're coming out here.
That one's a little,
Look at that. Woo!
Can you throw some napkins out here too?
Yeah, no problem.
I just want you to throw on the ground, please. I'd like you to waste it.
Sir,
Thank you.
no problem.
Napkins, anybody?
No, I'm good.
You
But
savage.